Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change aliens in Dark War Survival. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change aliens in Dark War Survival. So first of all, you need to go and join an alliance. You can do that by going and checking our YouTube video on our YouTube channel on how you can actually go and join an alliance. Now, you need to go and open the alliance on the alliance icon, which will be on your main screen here. And just tap Leave Alliance and confirm it. Then you'll go back to the alliance menu where you can of course go and apply to another one. In the bottom right corner here where we have the messages, you will have the alliance messages also, which will all be deleted when you leave that alliance, and you will have new ones when you go into a new one. And that's basically that. Before you switch, you'll use your all current aliens buff and of course all the things that I have, as I told you with the chats also. And if you switch during certain aliens events, there may be a 24-hour restriction on early aliens event points, so it's best to change aliens between events. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.